In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams on both your PC and mobile device. Whether you're hosting a meeting or participating in one, screen sharing can be incredibly useful for presentations, collaborating in real time, or simply troubleshooting with colleagues. So let's jump into it. First, make sure you've joined an existing Teams meeting or initiated a new one. Once you're in the meeting and you're ready to share something with your participants, look for the meeting toolbar. Here, you'll find a variety of icons, but the one we're interested in is the Share Content icon. It's easily recognizable, a rectangle with an arrow pointing upwards. Go ahead and click on that icon. Now, you have a choice on what you want to share. Microsoft Teams offers you 4 main options. If you select your entire screen, everything on your monitor will be visible to the meeting participants. This is perfect for when you need to switch between multiple applications during your presentation. If you'd rather share only a specific application or document window, you can choose the window option. This way, only the content of that particular window will be available for others to view. If you're planning to deliver a PowerPoint presentation, you can share it directly by selecting the PowerPoint option. Lastly, there's the whiteboard feature. This is an excellent tool for collaborative brainstorming, allowing you and others to draw or jot down notes in real time. Once you've decided on what to share, hit the share button to begin. Your content will then be visible to everyone in the meeting. When you're ready to stop sharing, simply look for the Stop Sharing button, which is conveniently located in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Clicking it will swiftly halt the screen sharing. For those of you who prefer to or need to use a mobile device for your Teams meetings, sharing your screen is just as straightforward, though it works slightly differently. After joining a meeting, you'll want to tap the More Actions menu. It's usually represented by 3 dots. From there, you'll tap on Share, followed by Share Screen. This will initiate screen sharing on your mobile device. It's important to note here that Teams may prompt you to allow screen capture, so make sure you grant the necessary permissions for a smooth experience. And there you have it. Sharing your screen with Microsoft Teams is a simple and effective way to enhance your online meetings and collaborations, irrespective of the device you're using. With these steps, you can confidently present your ideas and facilitate engaging discussions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.